Popped into Burlington Coat Factory. They opened up a new one near me. So I wanted to see what they had for home decor. All right. So I saw this cute little bench. This would be cute, like at the end of your bed. It's kind of like a velvet kind of material, like a faux suede kind of has a little bolster pillows there and stuff. And it is $80. They only had that one color in the gray there. This little faux plant I thought was cute. $30, but it was really lightweight. So it's kind of like that metal stone like planter looking like there than the faux plants in it. They had a ton of different faux plants too. These little jewelry holders I thought were cute, or just something to organize your vanity. $10. So they had it in purple with the like little rhinestone details, and then they had in this one, if you can see, can you see it? The like animal like print there on it, but it's like glass. And then this one right here, kind of like a glass like too, with all those details, but they all were so pretty, and they all were $10 for those. They had a few different candle holders, decor pieces. They weren't like fully stocked, but they did have pieces put out, like, here and there. The blue pieces I thought were nice. And then, everybody loves a cute little bust piece. $13 for that one right there. These are like a pretty little blue glass candle holder, has the little silver top on it. Not $10 for that one right there. And then they have the little bowl, like you can see, it's like kind of like a cracked glass with a glitter. It was cute. This right here I thought was nice because it had the gold base and then the blue in it, and it was a nice big size for that one too. And you can grab that one, at least at my Burlington Coat Factory, for $17 for that one right there. And that was lightweight too. Like I said, just a ton of the different candle holders. This I thought was nice. It gives me like an antique vibe too at the same time. $14 for that. They had these lanterns, $18. Those were nice. And you can see they have like the LED light in it. This I thought was cute, and I was trying to remember where I saw something like that. So that one was $8. I just saw something like that at Dollar Tree. But that one was bigger than these candle holders. I love, because I love a good wood piece. $10 for that, and you can see the little details in that. And then the bigger one, $13. These would be so pretty. And if you don't like that dark stained wood, they have like a white distressed one. These for like the taper candles, $10 for that. And it's like a metal. It has the little ring detail in the middle, and then they had it in a smaller version for $8. These pieces were on clearance, and it reminded me of a DIY I did on my DIY page. So $5 for that, not bad at all. And if you don't like the color of it, you can just paint it. It's just a cute little vase to grab there. And then they had this right here, little nice wood piece right here for $9. That was on clearance too. And then this one on clearance for $5. And those two look cute together too. I thought they'd be cute together. And like I said, you could change the color. This reminded me, I don't know if you're on TikTok and you're doing like the AI portrait thing. That's what that reminded me of. So $35 for that, real pretty. But they had a ton of different artwork. They had this right here, kind of gave me a boho vibe. $8 for that. And had like the chain fringe. These right here, this one was missing the top, but it's like the other candle holders, just in green. So $10 for that. Just make sure yours has the top on it. It'll look like that. And then $12 for that one right there. And then this right here, they had this in black too, I think. But I just thought that was cute with the little lip detail on that. $7 for that. They had a few different pretty orange pieces. So again, like in that velvet, $55 little ottoman, and it had storage in it too, and little gold legs, and then these little planters, vases, vessels that they had that went with it, kind of $20 for that right there. I think it comes with those little faux florals too. Then they had a ton of great like mirrors and wall decor. This was a nice size, $100. You can see like it has like kind of that crushed glass look to it, and then it has like a little trim mirror detail on it too. Like I said, a ton of like that metal art wall decor they had. So they had like a lot of like faux floral leaf like ones, $25 for that one. These are like black and gold colors. They had $35 for that one. And these are nice big sizes. They have mirror wall decor, so it's like you get two in one. You get the mirror, you get the wall decor. They had like this boho vibe one here for $13, so you get all three of those. It has like the macrame, the beads in it. These right here, so it comes in, well, at my Burlington, it came in this gold color and in the black there, so you can get either one, but this is real pretty too, and it kind of gives the boho vibe too. $30 for that. This one I love, just a nice big piece. It was really big. It was like nice. So it has all the mirrors and then the metal, and it was on clearance for about $32 for that one right there. I like that one a lot. This one, the picture, if you look at the picture, it makes it feel like it's going to be way bigger, but so it's $10. That'd be good to put like on your vanity or something. This one right here with the little black bead details, kind of like the other one, another boho vibe. Little arched mirror right here, that was cute. This one right here, another decent sized mirror. So just a lot of cute, like I said, mirror and wall decor. That one's $70 for that one. And then the arched one right there, $40 for that one, which is not bad at all. More of the metal art that you can grab. So they had like more of the leaf ones. You see these a lot, but I just think they're just pretty because they're just, the simple colors are just so pretty. These butterfly ones, so they had it in that color right there with all the gold for $17. And then they had it in another color. This right here, I like the different colors because this is not just two colors, it was different colors like that. That's that flower again in the white and gold. So imagine if you pair those two together. That one massive, and that would look so cute, like if you have like a big space on your wall that you need to fill it in. That one's so cute, and only $80, not bad at all. Some of these kind of give me like a Z gallery vibe too. So this right here, $25 for that. So like I said, they had a few different options. This BB one, loved it. Like you got to see it. It's kind of like gives like a little glitter kind of look to it. $30, not bad. They even have like, if you're into sneaker wall art, like sneakers or sneaker wall art, $40 for that. They have gaming wall art that you can grab. Just all kind of different wall art at Burlington right now that you can grab to fit like, your personal style. That one I thought was interesting with the fur, and then they had like a faux Louis Vuitton that you can grab. So you can grab that one for $20, and it has like horses and stuff on it, and then like the print, and then that one with the fur for $20, like a message board. This right here, so you get a pack of two, so $17, and it's got like that textured look, kind of give you that Pottery Barn type vibe. This one was on clearance for about $13. This one had like a texture too, kind of like a canvas look. They had a lot of cute bathroom decor items. This one gave me like a nautical feel to it, and it had all the pieces too. So it had the soap dish, the soap pump, this and they were all reasonably priced for these pieces right here. It has like a little toothbrush holder, just all the things. So if you want to give like a little nautical vibe to your bathroom or beach vibe to your bathroom for the season, they had a few pieces. This can give that too, but then you can really put this out all year. So $6 for the little lotion pump, and then $5 for the toothbrush holder. They didn't have all the pieces for that one. So some of these, they didn't have all the pieces. That one I thought was cute. The raised detail is just around like 2/3 of it, and then one part is flat. This one right here, another pretty one that gives you that nautical vibe. These little trays are good to organize like in the bathroom, and then the mirror just adds like another cute touch. They had it in silver, and then they had it in black with the mirror too at my Burlington, and that one was only $9. Not bad at all. These hampers, I don't know if it's picking up. It doesn't look big against my hand. When I put my hand there, I'm like, it's not, unless my hand got bigger. But it's a good size hamper. It's a good size hamper. And that fleece, it's two-tone, and then it has like a little faux leather handles on it. But it was nice, $17. This tray was nice. It was big too, so $17 for it. It has like the little letters hem like detail on the side. Snoopy one, that is cute. So if you're doing like some outdoor stuff this season, you might want to grab one of those. $11 for the Snoopy one. Then they have like the tray and like a circular with the handles, and then they had it, this one kind of matches the other one, and that was like $15. So I'm assuming the other one is, and that big tray almost fit both of those on there. So this right here I thought was interesting with just the colors and the design. Only $10, not bad at all. Put like, this on your table or something. This little jewelry box or like, holder, real pretty. And then it had like the monogram look on it. $13 for that. And it was like mirrored, kind of like a rose gold. They have this little oil and vinegar set. I just thought it was, because it wasn't expensive at all. Only $5 for that. So, get your kitchen, cute and organized. These little, okay, trays. So I don't know if they're like cheese trays or what, but it's like a stone, gives you like that natural stone type look. And it was heavy. $15 for that right there. So you can use that in your kitchen. They had some outdoor stuff. That one was just messed up. I didn't even bother to see how much it was, because it was just messed up. They had this nice little chair right here, $37, and it had like a bright little color, kind of like a metal for that one. These planters, so they sold individually, but you can see how cute they look together. So $25 for the big one there, and then they had the smaller one. So you can do like a whole little setup with these. $17 for the smaller one. They had like some outdoor dining stuff that you can grab right now. I just like the like faux marble look of that. $10 for that tray right there, and then this set of dishes. You'll see a lot of these are like Marshalls and Home Goods too, though. So you might want to take a look at some of those, because they are, just cute and simple. These pieces of artwork, we've seen them before, but they are just, I think they're so nice and simple. So $25 for that one, and they have like little gold details. This little chair just sitting here all by itself. I thought it was cute. It has the little nail head details on it, the little gray like velvet, like again, $130 for that right there. Just a nice simple accent chair. I thought that was cute. These little ladders, they are great. $35. This one had like the little two-tone look, the little brackets you can see, so you can like fix it to the wall. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere. And they had it in those two colors. This lantern right here, so I believe it's a solar lantern, and it was on clearance for $30 for that one right there. Then they had a bunch of counter stools, bar stools. They had them up high, so we really can't see them, but like a lot of them were like the faux leather and stuff. And they were about $60. I'm imagining maybe a little more based on the details and stuff that were in them, but they all were basically, kind of the same. I like this one right here. They only had one of it though, but it was like kind of like a corduroy type, and then it was like a gray, just, an extra cute little detail, and just something different that you don't always see in that style. These lamps I thought were cute. So this one had like the little crystal like detail there, $70, and then that one had like that metal detail there for that one. Those are cute. A lot of little accent pieces like vases and candle holders. They had this one right here, nice, another little simple modern type shape, $10. This with the little twisted metal, I thought that was cute, little candle holder, $15 for that one. I saw a piece like this at IKEA, but it was like kind of like the same, but not like the same. $10 for that one. The IKEA one was like more iridescent. This bowl I thought was cute, because I like a wood piece and I like gold accents too. So it gave you both in one. $20 for that. And then just imagine pairing that with some other little things. These little like animal pieces. I like these type shapes. So $9 for those right there, and they were gold. This wall decor set, so you're going to get all three of those right there. So you'll get the small, the medium, and the large, and it's a nice simple color, $33. So that's basically like $11 a piece for those. Yeah, so you might want to check out, see what your Burlington Coat Factory has in right now.